August 15, 9 AM. Medyo kakagising ko lang. Luluto lang tayo ng breakfast. Day 5 ng 75 Hard. Day 6. Kaya pasyatin namin 75 Hard. Ang hirap na talaga. Kaka-drain. Pero you know. Ngayon, luto tayo breakfast.
Is this what you have in mind? Perfect. How many counts should it be? Well, let's play it safe and go.
Good morning. Luto tayo ng favorite ko kung ano man tawag dito.
Okay, hi guys! Take over muna tayo sa vlog for today's video. Okay, una sa lahat, batiin ng itlog, pero ang una pala dun ay i-crack muna siya just like that. Ganyan, tapos bate. Yan, ganyan lang guys, as hard as you can. Wala lang, parang ginadji lang ako dyan, di ko rin alam bakit. Kakagising ko lang kasi. So yun, tapos pagtapos yung gawin yan, pag ramdam yung mainit na yung pan, lagyan nyo ng butter. Yun. Tapos huwag masyado madami sa healthy nga tayo healthy living. Diba? Tapos yan, mix nyo lang yung butter, make sure to coat the pan evenly. Just like that. Yun, diba? POV.
Dali lang siya guys, tingnan nyo. Then you gotta hurry up. Para yun. Then you flip. Then you flip again. Yeah, perfect.
Diba? Ang dali lang. Tapos, syempre, i-flip nyo lang para maluto siya evenly. Then, iganyan nyo lang yung side. And then,
Titingin tayo kung may cheese.
walang cheese pero may saging. Same lang naman siya, diba guys? Tapos, i-cut nyo lang siya into small slices. Tapos, i-ready nyo lang yung toast nyo. I-flip nyo lang siya just like that. Tapos, ganyan guys. Tignan nyo naman, napaka-perfect niyan. Golden brown. Napakasarap niyan. Promise ko sa inyo.
Lahit kasi okay na yan
Pag
guys.
natikman nyo, ay no.
Plating on that. Easy protein packed breakfast. Lagyan niya lang ng honey para mas masarap. Better than pancakes, bro. Oh, ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Better than pancakes, bro.
Black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. If you think that I'ma slow down, don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Pistol whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Pistol whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Laro tayo game pre. Salitan tayo ng sabi kung saan tayo liliko. Tapos unang umayaw, bading. Yeah.
Pwedeng ko god.
Hindi, mali yung bading, sorry. Hindi pa, ano ba pwede? Brick. Sino muna?
Ikaw na kasi.
Okay. Kaliwa. Pwede ka ano na diretso? Diretso?
Diretso.
Okay.
Dito na lang pala pre.
Saan? Kaliwa. Kaliwa ulit. Kaliwa.
Matandaan.
Sabi ko kanan, dire-diretso pa.
Kanan.
Wala pang stop, tara.
Taas yun.
Nino,
Ate ko.
saan siya?
Pakoy yun pre. Dumadaan yun.
Saan? Wala yan pre, sobrang baba ng chance. Kapag nakita ka dyan, meant ka makita. Tara. Ayan, pre. Okay. Tama. Tara, diretso mo na lang ulit. Pero talo ka na. Talo ka na eh, di ba? Talo na.
Pre, takbo lang.
Okay, takbo lang. Kanan daw, kanan. May bula yung sapatos ko. Basang-basa kasi yung medyas ko, kadiri naman. Stay hard. Tagal.
Pre, init ko pa maigi.
Hindi mo lasang,
Sabi kasi pwede pa daw kanina eh.
hindi lasang buko. Pwede pa pre.
September.
Hindi lang lasang buko.
Bye vlog.
Ingat. Bye vlog.
Thank you.
Okay. Tapos lang mag jogging. Easy 10K.